I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to erase and delete all of your TikTok watch history. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap the profile icon in the menu on this screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon on the next screen. Step 3. Navigate to the Personal Tools section and then select Activity Center. Step 4. Tap Watch History in this menu. You'll see everything you've watched over the last 180 days. Step 5. Click Select at the top of this screen, tap to select Select All Watch History, and then tap Delete. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to delete all of your TikTok watch history from the last 180 days. Step 6. Tap Delete again. You'll see a note that all of your TikTok watch history has been deleted. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.